Welcome to the beautiful Florida Keys. My name is Frank Lascos with the Lascos team at RESF, and I'm here to show you 171 Lorelane in Key Largo. What a beautiful home. What a treat I have in store for you. Beginning at the front gate, we have a call box, so any guest that arrive can press on that button and you'll know exactly who it is that arrives. The gates, there's one that opens here and there's one that opens on that side, and there's a third one that opens allowing you to store your boat trailers or anything else that you need to store. They're both run by a LiftMaster silent control box that allows very little sound and nice clean opening. The driveway is a 6-inch slab, well thought out, well planned. Beautiful cameras throughout the home. The property's fully with cameras throughout. A nice piece entrance, wide open stairs, and a beautiful entrance right here. As you walk into the home, we have a beautiful foyer with an accent fish tank, a storage section under the stairs. Beautiful piece right here. The home is split between a guest cottage downstairs and the home upstairs. Let me show you the guest area. The guest area has a living area, so your guests can entertain themselves right here with a TV, a full kitchen except for a stove, but everything else is there. Your ice machine, your refrigerator, a sink, full wet bar. Bathroom with custom doors. Amazing mirror. I love that mirror. Custom closets. Beautiful furnishings. Furnishings are maybe part of the deal if you're interested in them. This owner has tremendous, exquisite taste. From this cottage, you can step outside to the pool area. We'll go there shortly. As you come up, that separates the main home from the downstairs guest quarters. It splits right here to the living area and the bedroom areas. We'll start in the bedrooms. The guest bathroom again. Notice the little details that the home has. These mirrors that all match. The hardware, all with the island theme. One of the guest bathrooms also with a custom hardware, a custom closet, beautiful island theme. This amazing window cover with a porch out here. It allows for privacy and darkness. Beautiful hallway, nice and spacious. The owner has decided to make this room his office. Notice the closet as well. Notice the cameras. This is a fully set up with all this built-in furniture will stay with the home. You come out of your office and you walk right into your master. Nice, spacious master, tall ceilings, unique hardware throughout the home. Also, another porch where you can sit outside and enjoy the afternoon. Beautiful, beautiful master bath with a unique tub, great shower, two-person shower, rainfall shower. And again, that amazing mirror. A full walk-in closet. All the electronics, the home has a full surround sound system throughout the home, speakers everywhere. It's all run from this cabinet right here. All on Wi-Fi, smart home. Laundry room up here, and there's another laundry room downstairs. Full kitchen with appliances, a wine cooler, beautiful appliances, all stainless steel appliances, top of the line appliances. This one even has the extra drawer right here. Notice the unique features that this owner has put on the home. All these can possibly stay. Surround sound speakers built into the wall, into the ceilings. As you come out on your beautiful porch, notice it's very wide. The canal sits right there. Clear water, you can see the beautiful area down here where you entertain. All that furnishing that comes with the property, the new buyer will enjoy that outdoor area. That's synthetic grass, so there's no maintenance there. The dock has a 3,500 pound lift and a 20,000 pound lift for your boat. We'll get down there shortly. This owner thought of everything. He likes to entertain, so he prepared an outdoor cooking station up here and another one downstairs. The same thing with the laundry room. You can access it from these stairs, come down to your outdoor entertaining area with an oversized, I believe that's a 75-inch TV, might be even bigger. You turn right here, you have a full outdoor kitchen. This is the second outdoor kitchen, a second ice maker, refrigerator. These cabinets are made of PVC, so they'll last a lifetime. There's nothing that can damage these things. The high-end Cal Flame barbecue, and a total area here to entertain. Need to go to the bathroom? You don't have to go very far. Right here is a beautiful, beautiful bathroom. Let me turn on the light. Notice the sink, very custom sink. An additional feature that this bathroom has, which is a very, very positive, useful item, right here has a drop down stairs that actually creates a full storage room upstairs. And it's an air-conditioned storage room, so it adds a lot of useful space, otherwise would be wasted. He's actually even set up a charging station for his golf cart. Now let's go to the pool area. The pool area is blocked off from the storage shed where you keep your trailer. You can store items in the storage shed over there. Notice the landscaping, how nicely done. It is also lined with keystone feature. Very, very low maintenance. There's nothing to do here in this grass. All the furniture is better than new. It's well taken care of and well, as you can see, covered when it's not in use. The dock, concrete dock, oversized. All the boxes will stay. Notice the lights, the lift. Nice clean canal. Notice how clear that water is. See the fish right there? Right there, you walk, you go right down to the end of the canal and the ocean is waiting for you to go enjoy. Also a 20,000 pound lift. 2 more dock boxes. Electrical on the dock. Lights throughout. Shower. And get on your boat right here. That's pretty much it. This amazing home is on the market and ready for you to come take a look and make it yours. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.